These top 5 secrets you must know before preparing for any competitive exam, and these top 5 secrets can make you qualify easily in these competitive exams. ये 5 टॉप सीक्रेट्स जिसके बारे में आज की इस एडिशन में हम बात करने वाले हैं, आपको जान लेना बहुत ही जरूरी है किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम को इजीली क्रैक करने से पहले. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू नॉलेजिस्ट. दिस इज प्रभंजन त्रिपाठी एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू इट. So let's begin with the secret number 1, or you can say top secret. The first top secret is in knowing that there is no secret to crack this exam. There is no secret key for this exam, and stop watching such bogus videos because you cannot make it to the final list with borrowed knowledge. जो YouTube में इस तरह के बहुत सारे वीडियोज हैं, सीक्रेट्स, ये ट्रिक्स वगैरह, इससे कुछ होता नहीं है. आपको आपकी सीक्रेट्स तैयारी करनी होगी. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर ओन सीक्रेट लिस्ट, बिकॉज इफ देयर वुड हैव बीन एनी सीक्रेट टू क्वालिफाई दिस एग्जाम, these exams could not have been called open exam for all. Any competitive exam is an open exam and it is open to all, and whatever is open to all, there is no such secret. Okay, this has to be remembered by you, because many people stop preparing because they think some people have the key to success, some people can make it to the list, so we'd have very mighty chance to qualify. So there is nothing like that. Second top secret in understanding that there is no substitute to hard work. Hard work से बढ़कर कुछ होता ही नहीं है. And don't waste your time and energy in thinking of luck. Don't think that only if you are lucky then you will make it to the final list, and by thinking so you stop preparing. Don't do that, because there is no substitute to hard work. Yes, you can do hard work smartly. In a very small amount of time you can prepare more, but you have to work hard. There is no substitute to that. Till now there is no shortcut to success has been discovered so far. Point number 3, fail it to nail it. If you are preparing for a competitive exam, you should not fear of losing it. You should not fear for failing in it. So if you do so, if you fail in your first attempt, you lose your temper, then tentatively you are not going to make it to the final list anytime soon. So be ready to fail it. First prepare to fail it. Even if you know that only by sitting in this exam you are not going to qualify it, take a chance, sit into it, sit in this exam, find out what type of questions are asked. This will also give you an experience. And for the time being, let's think that there is something called luck. There is one goddess called luck, right? So whom will she favor? If there is a goddess called luck, whom will she favor? Someone who has never attempted, or someone who has attempted so many times, failed it? She will definitely go with the one who have tried so many times but failed so far. If you are not big enough to lose, then you are not big enough to win. So don't mind failing in it. If you want to nail it at last, so you have to fail at first. Okay, so this is the third secret you must be knowing. And fourth thing is, burst your myth about overnight success. There is nothing called overnight success. You come overnight to announce it. This overnight success is for others, those who thought that you could not do it anytime soon. For them it is an overnight success. Before any overnight success being claimed, there is a minimum of 3 years of hard work before it, but very less number of people could see it. So there is nothing called overnight success. You have to prepare for long term. You don't think that if you decide to sit an exam and you will qualify it in first attempt. You have to prepare over a period of time. Say for the moment that you are preparing for an exam where English, the grammar of English plays a vital role. You cannot conquer the entire English grammar in 1 or 2 months. For that you need a long-term preparation. From your graduation level you should have an appetite to learn about English grammar. You should have an appetite to know about new things, how to speak, how to use this English grammar tricks into real life. So these are long-term process. So don't believe in shortcuts, and don't think that if by filling the application form you will be eligible for the post. No, for that you should start preparation as early as possible. Not not from the very beginning, from your matriculation level, but it should start from your graduation level or somewhere 1 or 2 years back. You should have the caliber to understand the tricks, to understand the rule of the game. Okay, and it should start as early as possible. Okay, and fifth and the most important thing that can drive your passion is dream it to become it, right? So many people say work hard, don't aim about the end result, but I must say that think of the end result when you are preparing for such competitive exam. Think that what will you become. If you are preparing for a bank exam, think that you will become a bank officer by cracking it. What will be the remuneration, what type of prestige that you are going to get in the society. If you are preparing for UPSC civil services, think that what will happen to you once you become IAS. Think of the day when you will crack the news to your relatives, to your friends, those of them who thought that you could not make anything in life. The greatest pleasure in life to do what people think you cannot. So think of the end result, dream it. What will happen when you will crack the news into your surrounding? How will be the what will be the reaction of your parents? Think of every single bit of it, dream it, then you will finally become it. Hope this edition of Knowledgeist is useful for you. If so, please share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you for being with Knowledgeist.